Yo, if you're a small business owner, a barber, cafe, yoga teacher, mechanic, even a creator putting your work out there, you know you need a website. And honestly, getting one feels like a headache. Today, you've basically got three options. Let's break them down real quick, pros and cons included. Hey, Alex here, head of community at Sparkzlab. Let's dive in. Option one, hire a developer or agency. How it works, they build you something custom from scratch. Pros, looks pro, exactly what you want. Costs $3,000 to $10,000 to us up front, plus ongoing maintenance, hosting, updates, another $100 a month easy. Tech skills needed, zero for you, but you're paying big for someone else's. Bottom line, amazing if you got the budget, but most local shops, nah. Option two, DIY with tools like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress. Pros, cheaper up front, $20 to $50 a month. It takes hours or weeks to make it look good. You gotta learn the tool, and keeping it fresh, that's on you forever. Option three, the hot new AI tools that say just type one sentence and boom, website. Pros, super fast and cheap. Everyone ends up with the same generic look. No real personality, limited control, and if you get stuck, you still need a developer. So we looked at all that at Sparkzlab and thought there's gotta be a better way. We're in the AI era now, why not use it to fix this for real? That's why we created Sparkzlab, truly living websites, fully AI powered. Here's how it works. Dead simple, just shoot us an email. Tell us about your business, your vibe, what you do. Attach some photos, your logo, maybe a menu or catalog. That's it. Our expert team plus cutting edge AI jumps in. We build you a stunning, unique website in hours, not days or weeks. It captures your brand tone perfectly and looks like you dropped 5K at a top agency. And the best part, it stays alive forever, automatically. Seasonal banners switch for Christmas, Valentine's, summer vibes, no login needed. New Google reviews, pulled in instantly. Forget regular SaaS, we just invented CAS. Want to change a price or add today's special? Send a quick WhatsApp message or email, updated in under 24 hours. Weather or offers, blogs that write themselves, and much more AI magic we're preparing just for you. Now, who is this for? We're not chasing complicated e-commerce, booking systems, memberships, or funnels. Sparkzlab is built purely for small local businesses, solopreneurs, and creators who want something affordable, effortless, and amazingly beautiful without needing any tech skills. Ready to step into the AI era with a stunning modern website? Visit sparkzlab.com and email us today.